Hello great minds, I welcome you all to this very special video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to simply download one of the world's most popular apps with reportedly more than 1 billion downloads across 180 countries. The name of this app is called Picsart. This Picsart is a powerful graphic design app that is used by both iPhone users and also smartphone or Android users. This app will allow you, the user, to take and also edit pictures and videos. It can also help you to draw with layers. It can also help you to share your images on any other social media handles. So if you have your iPhone, you go to your App Store. If you're using an Android phone, you also go to your Play Store. So you go straight to Play Store. Then in your search bar, you just search for the app Picsart. So after searching, you just tap on install to install your app. So after installing, I have it already. After installing, you get the app in this way, Picsart. So you just tap on it to get the interface. I want to show you something about the interface. So when the interface launches, there is difference between what I'm using and the one that you will get. What I'm using is a premium app, but those who are going to download the free app, the interface that you are likely to see at the bottom bar is what I'm going to tell you. Down here, you only get 4 items there. The first item that you get is called the edit. The second item that you get is called collage. The edit will help you to edit your pictures. The collage will help you to combine 2 or more pictures or family pictures. The third one that you will get will be the draw option. The draw option will help you to draw your own images and others. And the fourth one that you will get is called the camera. The camera will help you to take images that you don't have on your phone. So these 4 options is what you are likely to get. But those using the premium app, you will tap on this plus sign. It will give you another option or another interface looking exactly like this. So guys, this is all about the Picsart, the interface of Picsart. In our next video, we will just look at the tools that are used in Picsart. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye bye.